Okay, for this assignment, you're going to need any form of writing implement. I'm going to use markers. You can use pencil, crayon, markers, or any other thing that you can use to write with. And today we're going to be focusing on the element of art called line. And when we talk about line, we talk about the way that a point moves on a piece of paper. So here's a point and it moves this way, or it moves this way, or a whole bunch of other ways. So I'd like for you to get a piece of paper, and then I'm going to have you do some lines. First one that we're going to do is called a straight line, and a straight line looks like this, where we take our point and we drag it down like that. They can be vertical, they can be diagonal, or they can be horizontal. Those are called straight lines. Next line that we have is called a curved line. And a curved line is a straight line that's bent. A curved line can be long. A curved line can be short. It could be curved up. It could be curved down. And it could be extended really long, or it could be condensed like the letter of an alphabet. Next one that we have is called a zigzag. And a zigzag is a straight line that goes one way and then another way. It goes like this. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Those lines can be horizontal. They can be vertical. They could be diagonal. Next line that we have is called a broken line. And a broken line is a start and a stop line. And it looks like this. Start, stop, start, stop, start, stop. They can have long or short starts and stops. They can be horizontal, diagonal, vertical. They could also be a curved line that's broken. They could also be a zigzag line that's broken. The next one that we have is called a wavy line. A wavy line is two curved lines going the opposite direction. So it's a curved line this way and a curved line that way. A curved line this way, and they're connected. Curved line that way. And the wavy lines can be horizontal. They can be vertical. They could be diagonal. They can also be expanded, or they can be condensed. Those are called wavy lines. The next type of line that we have is called a loop line. And a loop line is a curved line that circles around itself. It goes like this. Loop, loop, loop. They can go up. They can go down. They could be horizontal, vertical, or diagonal as well. They could be expanded, or they can be condensed. Those are called loop lines. The next one I have is called a spiral. Spiral line, where you put a dot, you draw a curved line around it and continue to grow bigger and bigger and bigger. And you can draw going to the left, which is counterclockwise. Or if you're left-handed, sometimes it's easier to draw going to the right and curved all the way around and growing bigger and bigger and bigger. It's called a spiral line.
Ariana Ward Miller, please come
Next,
to the office.
that we have
Ariana
is called a
Ward Miller.
organic line. An organic line is where it starts and stops and goes anywhere it wants to go, just like a country road or the edge of water. And then the last line is called a scribble line. A scribble line is an organic line that goes anywhere it wants to go and crosses itself like a scribble. But it's not this, because that's actually a zigzag. It just goes anywhere it wants to go, as if it's like a piece of string that's thrown on the floor. And those are the different types of lines. They are straight, curved, zigzag, broken, wavy, loop, spiral, organic, and scribble. And all those are used when we make art.